Okay guys, hi and welcome back. In this video we will explain the utilities, but first I have created a new file for this part, the utilities. Here I created a folder called utilities and a file with index.html, and here I put the starter template. The first thing we have is the API key. The API key is for backend web development. We don't need it, but I will show you. That's all for the backend web development. You don't need it. Here I have the span of the border. When I copy this part and paste it for here and I create anything here, let's start studying the Bootstrap 5 course. When I reload here I have the border of this part. You can see it. Then let's try something different. What if I make here h1 and I close it, and I will get and I get this part and put it there. When I reload here I have the h1 with a border. And what if I make a padding? Let's make a padding here and see what we have. Style of padding of 1 em. Here I got these paddings. The next thing I have is the border top. If I copy this part and paste it for the border top, just the border top, I just need a margin bottom of 200 pixels. We got a problem. Okay, I will delete the padding and I delete this one. Here I have this margin top, if you can see it. Then I can make a HR here, and here I will break the line 2 times. Then I have the border left or right. Here I will make the border left. Here I have the border left, if you can see it there. The next thing I have is border right. I will add an HR with 2 breaked lines. Break the line, break the line. I will paste this here. Let's make this into right. Here I have the right border. And finally I have the border bottom. Here I have a border bottom. The next thing I have is the border color. If I want to change the border color, here when I make it like this, here I will make it border primary. Here I have the blue color. Let's make it border secondary. Here I have this color. I will just copy this part, so we don't need to type this part again. Border, I will make it info. Here I have this color. Sorry, yes, this color here, if you can see it. This one. Then I have border success. Here I have this color. And here the border, we have the danger, and of course you can make it info or anything you want. The next thing I have here is the border radius. If I want to add a border radius, I can edit for an image or anything I want. if I copy this part and give it a class of rounded here, for the border bottom, I don't think we will have anything different here. Yes, here I have the radius, if you can get it. But if you cannot get it, I will get an image from here. This is okay. Anything is fine now. Loading. I will copy the image address. Image with the source of this source, and here I will make a class of rounded without height. When I reload here I have this height, which is 75 and 75 of the height and 75 of the width. The next thing I have is the border top. It's adding just the border for the top, left and right for this part, border top. I can copy all of this, or I can get another image so we can differentiate between them. This image is okay. Copy image address. Image with the source of this source, class rounded chop. Here I have this image with a rounded chop. The next thing I have, let's try to add a border here. Here I have the border of primary. I will make border, and here border primary. I don't think we will see anything. Yes, here I have the blue color. Great. Now I have the rounded right. Image with a source of, let's get an image. We have 3 minutes left. This is okay. I will try to move faster. Class of rounded left. Now I have this with just a left border. Then I have image with the source. This one. Copy. Paste it here. Class of rounded bottom. Here I will be having the border bottom. Yes, now I have the border bottom. I know the image is very big, but it's okay. Then I have I will make it for the first picture, the first image here. Just the border right, I think. So now I have the border right. Great. The size, if you want to make this round small or big, it's okay. Now we can know the difference. Okay, now we are done with this video. In the next video we will move to the colors, how I can change the color or the text by the classes. So good luck and have fun.